Good afternoon. It is December the 6th, 2017. Time to wrap up our trading for today and take a look at tomorrow. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representations being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. We came in today hoping to buy 20 to 22s. We circled 25 as a possibility. Our first sell was 29 to 31. It did produce a couple of trades for us. They did get stops below 25, and that was as low as we went. Prior to that, you were buying 26 plus. Our second sell zone was 34 to 36, and we're just touching that right now. Very, very quiet day. It's a pause day. The news was pretty close to expectations, so didn't have that stimulus. And we've got Friday's non-farm payroll and next Wednesday's FOMC announcement, which tend to freeze the market, and that's what we're looking at today. So our normal setups that delivered profitable trades, retest failures, mean green, and so there was 4 trades that met all of our criteria that did produce profitable trades for those that took them. Take a look at tomorrow. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Take a look at today's F2 screen, and we're going to get a different picture. We're going to be looking at a P. P in a down market is profit taking. It's short covering. If we had short covering and new buying, we'd have a trend day up, and we don't have that. And you can see right here that we got a pretty clean break in the market at 35. So if the market were to close right here, right now, we'd be selling 34 to 36s, 39s to 41s. On the buy side, we'd be buying 25s, 27s, and 20 to 22s. Not much in the way of news tomorrow. We have jobless claims at 240, and natural gas inventories, don't know what they'll be, minus 33 BCF last week. We'll have a draw, but I don't think it'll be a huge one. So tomorrow we're likely, given the lack of news, to look at another quiet trading day situation where the scalpers will probably be those that walk home with the most money. Be looking for someplace out of the United States for the news impetus tomorrow to help spur the trading. Okay, higher high, higher low on treasuries. Find a place to buy it off the F1 screen, off the F2 screen. We have a B in an up market. That is long liquidation. So I'm guessing we're still in a trading range. So 23.27 sell 1, 31.03 sell 2. On the buy side, 16, and we'll make it 17 to 13 buy 1, and 5 to 9 buy 2. Looking at the 30-year. Now, we have a B in an up market on the note, and we have a P in an up market on the 30-year. What's the difference? It's the knob spread. The spreaders are long the 30, short the 10, and that's where the strength is coming from. Last rotate up stopped at 10, so we have 8 to 12 as number 1 resistance, sell 15 to 19, sell 1. That's where we were this morning. 23, 27, sell 2. I'm guessing a trading range market tomorrow, given Friday's non-farm payroll. First support's 28 to the buck by 21.25, 13.17 by 2. Looking at gold, inside day, find a place to trade it tomorrow. Looking at the profile, definitely B says find a place to sell it. So gold's trying to trade lower, ultimately stops below 1250, 69.71, pretty much where we were this morning. Sell 1, 73.75, sell 2. We'll bring that down a little bit. 63.65, buy 1, 59.61, buy 2. Crude oil got hit hard. We broke support at 56.75 and the market sold for a weak close. F1 and F2 will say find a place to sell it. F1 lower high, lower low. F2 is definitely going to be a B. We had no lift into the close. And 1, 2, 3 distributions lower. So right here, 56.25, 56.50, sell 1, 56.75, the buck, sell 2. I think we're going a little bit lower here, so 55.50, 55.75, buy 1. Stops below 55 will be the next play. 55, 55 and a quarter, buy 2. So pretty weak market today. Big builds and products, and I misread or they revised their print this morning. The build and gasoline on the EIAs. We'd have been much more aggressive on the news. We wouldn't have thought about getting long. But I saw it as only a build, I think, of 3 something. And it was a build of 6.8. So big build in gasoline. So stops below 55. That's where I think the market is headed right now. And looking at the euro. Lower high, lower low on the F1. Find a place to sell it. And you can see we're just a lot of volume here between 86.75 and 17.50. Definitely have a B. Got this break in the market basically at around 1810, so 1800, 1810, sell 1. 25 to 35, sell 2. On the buy side, 17.75, buy 1. 17.50, buy 2. That does it for this June. How about December the 6th, 2017? See you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.